Hey falls, myself Akhil from W Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to blur video background just like this with best AI powered video blur app. The best thing, we can not just blur video background or foreground but can also blur moving faces and blur any unwanted object in video like logos and watermark. So friends, this video is going to be very useful, so watch this video full and follow the method by downloading the application from the links in the description and pin comment to blur video background in minutes. But before I start, if you are new to WM Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. So finally, let's begin and know how to blur video background, and for this we will be using AVC Labs Video Blur AI app. This is the best AI powered video background blur app that offers 4 options to blur videos. This can not just blur video background but can also blur video foreground also. We can also blur moving faces with high consistency, can blur or pixelate any custom part or object in video. Wow, that's just insane. Let's give it a try, and for that click on try it free. It starts downloading, and once AVC Labs Video Blur AI free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation. Once done, click on this to open it. Now it will download and install few components like AI runtime, AI model and AI components. After that, here we have AVC Labs Video Blur AI app. So clean and simple UI. Now let's know how to use AVC Labs Video Blur AI app to blur video background. Here we can simply drag and drop a video file or click on browse to open Windows file picker. Browse through to pick a video file. Once imported, here we have different features like face blur, custom blur, and next we have BG blur. From here we can blur background or foreground. As you want to blur background in video, click on background blur. Next we have blur type. Selected blur from drop down menu. We can also select start frame and end frame. Next click on add BG blur task. After that click on export video. It will start exporting video. Once done, click on view output video. It opens output folder. Now from here we can view our video with blur background. Wow, is not that fantastic? Just insane. Same way you can also blur video background using AVC Labs Video Blur AI app in minutes. Now you may ask, is AVC Labs Video Blur AI app free to use? Well, it's not free. We will require plans to use it. So now let's talk about AVC Labs Video Blur AI app pricing plans. Here we are back on official website. Click on buy now. Here we have different pricing plans for AVC Labs Video Blur AI app for Windows. You can choose your plan as per your requirement. So affordable and easy to use. I will highly recommend you to try it out, and if you want to, find the links in the description and pin comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also share your views and feedback in comments, and if you are new to WM Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Also, if you want to watch videos in Hindi, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Taggy Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. आज मैं इस वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगा कि कैसे आप ऑफिशियल विंडोज 10 ISO फाइल फ्री डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। Today I am going to announce a winner for $100 Amazon gift card giveaway.